this product really any good? Hi everybody, I'm Bassocantor. Stay tuned, let's check it out.
First up, let's try the jigsaw on some wood stakes. Now let's try the jigsaw on some pressed board and let's see how it works. Well, I couldn't resist trying the jigsaw on some half-inch sprinkler PVC pipe. Not the right blade, but let's give it a try anyway. Well, I need to cut something else, and this is my wife's favorite bush, but I don't think she'll notice if I cut it a little bit. Here we go. And the saw worked very well in chopping down old bushes that you don't really want in your yard anymore.
Ah! That's my favorite plant!
The tool has a tricky way of installing and removing blades. Check out this tricky little orange swivel. It took me a few tries to get the hang of it. You simply pull the orange swivel towards the tool and then you insert the blade. You can actually adjust the deck so it could swivel. You use the provided hex wrench to loosen the bolt just like this, and then you can see the deck will swivel each way. The hardest part was not adjusting the deck, it was getting the little wrench out. Believe it or not, it's actually a pain in the neck to get it out. If you've used the Black & Decker 20-volt tools before, the batteries install in exactly the same way. Give it a firm push. Of course, as with the other tools, there's a safety interlock so you can't accidentally start the motor.
Well, I admit I was surprised by the power of this 20-volt tool. Far more power than I would have thought. In Dublin, California, I'm Bassocantor. Thanks for watching, everybody.